Hello friends, as mentioned in my previous last week video and as promised, I am back with the 12 more terminologies in this video which you should know as a project manager. So here you go, 12 terminologies that you should know about project management fundamentals. First is reg status or reg report. Reg means red, amber, green status, just like a traffic light system. It is also known as delivery confidence assessment. So it's just to indicate how well a project is performing. So this is the most common terminology which is used to indicate if something is on or off. Just like a traffic light, as I already mentioned. So red means wait. Red means there is something seriously wrong. Maybe, hey, stop the bus, I need to get off. Amber might be something that needs to be looked at, but not enough to make you want to stop the bus. And green means everything is great, project can keep on going. So this is all about reg status and the first terminology. Now second is WBS, like work breakdown structure. This is one of the first deliverables basically for the project. It's where you break your project into manageable chunks and have some logic around it. You have got things like tasks, your estimated time, the people that you want to use on it. Normally I do it as a team activity, so I get all the team together and have posted notes, post some notes that you can stick on walls and move around, and so that you all can interact and get something that makes logical sense. So this is all about WBS. My second terminology, that is work breakdown structure. Now 3 is Gantt chart and schedule. Like, in short, putting into a logical flow, start and end dates. So this is a specific way to visualize the work needed to do to deliver the project. This falls out of the work that you have done with the work breakdown structure. It's basically taking everything you have done and putting it into a logical flow. You add some more detail at this point, so you may have estimated start and end dates, estimated duration, the amount of effort needed to do the job, as well as relative progress. So this is all about Gantt chart or schedule, the third terminology. And then fourth is triple constraint. Triple constraint, this is absolutely the bane of project manager's life. It is represented in a number of ways, but usually as a triangle. You have cost, time and scope on the vertices and quality in the middle. So without affecting the other two, pick any two, as you cannot have them all. So this is the triple constraint. And then 5 is methodology. This is the framework you use to manage the project. So this is basically a set of guiding principles and processes for managing a project. And choosing project management methodologies is one of the first decisions you will have to make as a project manager. Next is business case. Business case is like a small simple process: signed off, approved, start work. This is all. So this is the fundamental document for your project. So once signed off or approved by the client, you will have to start the work. That's all. And then 7 is requirements, grouped into business, stakeholder, solutions. So this must be produced by any project, or this must happen, like it can be anything from the new IT system, or requirement is something like from real life, the cake should be egg free. So this is the customer's customized requirement. So for example, so in that case, for IT systems as well, there are some customized requirements which we will have to take here in project management courses. And now Next is risk. Risk means may or may not happen. This is something like if it happens, then there will be good or bad effect on the project. Risk is something you may or may not able to control. So yeah, this is all about an uncertain event or condition which, if occurs, then can have a positive impact or negative impact on the objective of the project. Next is issue. Issue is like burning fire. Issue is something a project can have. You may or may not have identified it as a risk, but may need to treat now. So risk and issue management are very fundamental, terminologies that you will have to know in project management. Now next is 10 milestone, time frame, timeline, schedule. So basically project milestone acts as a signpost throughout the project course, helping to ensure you stay on track. Now next is stakeholder. Directly or indirectly affected by the project supposed to be delivered. This is someone or a group of some people who will be affected by the project which supposed to be delivered. Next is steering committee, means decision maker. So basically they are the group of advisory made up of board officers, senior stakeholders or experts that provide guidance on a lot of different issues, budgets, resources, company policies, marketing strategies, etc., along with the project management concerns. They should help in meeting the goal in collaboration with defining, prioritizing and controlling the project. So these are all about the 12 terminologies that are fundamentals for any project management, or you should know being a project manager. So thank you for watching.